will take charge all the points. Okay. So the judges will rely on the referee.
On the ground only, ah.
On the ground only. After
Ano yan, yung mag-score, ano ba, yung judge or yung ano na, yung sa scoring system?
yeah, Master, there's also clarification because during the points, example, a point, 1 point, though the judges will do the
Pressing?
press
1 point by 1.
yeah, point by the sweeping or the hit
Like for
court.
example, the referee give a point during the ground technique. Who will give the points?
The side judges or the
the
center
one who
judge?
is assigned the scoring system?
I think the judge.
The judges?
Yeah, referee should not do so much. Judges should more take responsibility for the give the point. So that once referee said, okay, 2 points, ground, 2 points, then everyone judges should give the 2 point score. Yeah,
The referee will
Because,
just only
Master-
sign,
Master
and
Roshi-
the judge will.
yeah. Referee should pronounce,
Yes.
declare 2 points.
His concern, Master Roshiko, is because there's
Like sometimes,
sometimes the judges also will mistake the. Oh. So what he is going to clarify? Sorry, Master, because
So once they went to the ground,
Yeah.
everybody should just follow referee decision.
yeah, because he can give also the points because
And
he's the one
when
controlling the
referee
system.
said,
You are the system
yeah,
manager.
System. Yeah,
You can control.
he can control everything. So
But you should follow referees.
yeah, if the referee said like
2
this,
point.
the side judges will not press anything, but the center judge.
Okay, that's fine. It is, if it works, it's okay.
Yeah.
because sometimes if the referee give points and then the judges will press, sometimes they don't press the same button,
Oh, I
so
see.
the score doesn't
That's a
count
technical
it,
issue.
Yeah,
Mm.
technical issue.
So if you
Otherwise-
say 2 point and immediately this reflected to the score, right?
So
More correct, more correct, accurate.
more
Okay,
accurate.
then that's better.
So
Accuracy.
that the referee during the ground fight,
Mm.
the referee and the center judge
Mm.
will communicate.
Mm.
So no need the referee. Just look the center judge
Mm. So referee and center judge communicate,
communicate.
not the other judges.
So the side judges will their responsibility is during the standing fight.
Oh.
and throwing only.
Throwing.
So grappling, they should not touch at all.
Well, it depends on the
But during the manual, you really need to record.
Yeah.
Hmm.
During manual.
But if you are going to use the electronic,
Maybe
it's good to use also that they are going to pin the score that they have seen in the referee.
Mm.
I think if the referee will do like this, majority will do like this
Yeah,
immediately.
together, shoot together. We have to practice.
So they don't have a choice because already given. Oh.
So let's follow the
point
referee.
also. So
Yeah.
It might be that
That's okay.
it might be that there will be a problem also. Accidentally, the referee will do like this, and he thought that